Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be a lost Pandora haul. It is an order I placed. Let me look because I'm gonna pull it up for you guys. Does it give me the date? January the 7th. I ordered this and it was, I do believe, a 50-ish% off haul. 50 to 30%, I think, was a lot of it. And so I do have this pulled up and I can tell you prices on this one. Though there may not be the prices you see right now because this was like a sale they were doing. And I've got my handy dandy, or I thought I had my handy dandy cuticle stick to, no, I just had that little booger. Oh, there it is. Put the charms on so you can see better. Now, you guys know, okay, I showed you this bracelet in the last little collective haul that I did. And I knew I'd had some more charms to go on this booger. I knew I had to order some other things. So 3 of the things go on this bracelet. So let me show you the first one. And this one was $20.99 from $35. It is a Hazma hand. And I'd have to look up exactly what this means, but I know it's for like protection. It is, I believe it's Hindu or Buddha. I can't remember. Everybody that knows, leave it down in the comments. Everybody that knows for sure exactly what it is. I need to look it up. But so I got that. It's very pretty. It doesn't necessarily have to be a hand. It looks like a flower turned down. If you would rather say, okay, that looks more like a flower, kind of looks like the top of a mushroom. I mean, it could be whatever you want it to be, but so I got that one to go on that bracelet. I got, and this one's going to be kind of hard to show you, but it is a paper clip and it does have very small rhinestones or CZs in it. It is just a paper clip. That's all it looks like is a paper clip. And you can use it for an extra link for that bracelet. Guys, like I can lay something down and immediately lose it. Like, where did I just put the bracelet? I just had it in my hands. Here we go. So like you could use it for an extra link in the bracelet, which is what this guy is an extra link that I ordered. Or you could just have it dangling off like that, which is probably what I'm going to do, is just let it dangle off and be a paper clip. I don't know yet, but I have it. There it is. And it was $14.99. I mean, there you go. So you could totally have it just dangling off. You could use it for a charm. You could do whatever. $15. Hey. Okay, so the next one I bought for this bracelet is called the Pandora Me Light Me Up Medallion Charm. It is in rose gold. Apparently a lot of these, and this will not fit on my little stick here, so I'm going to have to hold it by the bail. Look how cute this is. Look how cute. So it's going on here with its little brothers and sisters. Let's see, I have that one spaced out like two or three. We're going to run out of links I can put things on here. Maybe, maybe not. I'm going to put it on the same one with the, and my hands don't want to work, guys. It is what it is. At this point, my right hand is just, it just does not want to, it just does not want to work. And I'm not left-handed, so my left hand, aha, there we go. It doesn't want to work either. So there is that one. And I took the paper clip off. But there's the 3. Cutesies. So none of these links back here in the back open. So is it just those 3 links that open? See, I've not worn this yet, so I haven't really played with it. So you can't put charms all the way around. It's just on those 3 stations. That's interesting. It's just on these 3 stations. All right, okay. So then the last 2 things I got were a pair. Let me turn my phone back on. Oh, did I tell you that was $18.99 for the Light Me Up medallion? These were $24.99 each, and they are Muranos. They are purple, so I have a bracelet that I know where they're going. They're going to go on this purple baby here. Perhaps. They probably will. But they are purple. And they look really dark there, but in person they don't look that dark in the light. But again, $24.99 each. They had been $50. Purple's one of my favorite colors, so we may put them on this bracelet right here, or we may start a whole new purple bracelet. I don't know yet, but because this one's pink, I could take this pink off and put on a pink bracelet. Yeah, and this one's the same kind of faceted. It's just a light purple. I could keep that in the middle. So I think that's what I'll end up doing, is just reworking this guy and taking that pink. Well, I might leave, I don't know yet. This is the good thing with Pandora bracelets. You can rework them to your heart's content, till you are satisfied. And then if you get new charms, you can rework them again and make a whole new design. You can take them completely apart and make whole new bracelets. That is the fun thing. And I do have 2 pre-loved ones coming in the mail, and I think both will work with this design. So I may end up breaking this apart and making 2 bracelets out. I don't know yet. I don't know. When we get that, the 2 in the mail today, we'll see. We'll see what we can do, because I know one is purple and I know one is pink. So yeah, we'll see. And yes, all my bracelets do kind of have a theme. This one does not, because I was just getting the pieces, but they're very heavenly, I guess you could say, with the lightning bolt, the star, the angel wings, very kind of ethereal, heavenly. They were all on clearance, so I thought, hey, why not? But I like it. I think that's really cute. I wish, though, the links back here opened, like these links right here. So, but they don't. I did not know that, because I thought you could put charms all the way around, not just on those couple front ones there. Huh. Okay. Well, that is it for my lost Pandora haul. I have one more piece I want to show you guys, and it came from Jewelry Television. I got it the other day, and I was just on there perusing. I get on there and look for sales. This is a 1/2 carat of lab grown diamonds. 1/2 carat. Set in sterling silver. And it is a band, because you guys know I love bands. And it was right around $100-ish. I don't know what it would be right now, because again, prices on there change. They'll throw sales, they'll throw percentages off, they'll have coupons. I think I did have a coupon for this one, and I did easy pay. It is cute just to have something, just a simple band to put on a finger. And all those little stones are, they're lab grown diamonds. And a lot of people are going to say, lab grown diamonds? Yes, lab grown diamonds. I do not mind a lab grown diamond. I don't mind a natural diamond. It's your preference. To me, lab grown diamonds are they're more ethical than having to tear up land to dig for diamonds. There are diamond mines all over the world that are, It's a mind. You have to dig. But I do not mind a lab-grown diamond. I really don't. They're more affordable. They're just as beautiful. But I'll take any diamond you want to give me. All right, guys, that is pretty much it. As always, thanks for watching. Again, diamonds on a budget. As always, I will see you on the next one.